Hi friends, I'm Jessica Grapes and I am here to give you your perfect color match. Here are 3 easy steps to send me the perfect selfie. Step 1, I need a makeup-free selfie. No one else will see this photo other than me, but I need to see your true undertones and everything that you want help with. Step 2, find an open window that has some beautiful natural sunlight coming through. We don't want the sun to be too bright, but we also don't want it to be in the evening. Midday, late morning is a great time for you to take your selfie because we're getting the most natural light possible. Step 3, take a few steps back from that open window. We want to make sure that we're not seeing any shadows anywhere on our face. You want your shoulders to be square with the window, and then take about 3 or 4 steps back so that way we're getting a nice even complexion off of your skin. That's it. Fill out the form below and I'll be in contact with you super soon with the colors that I chose specifically just for you and your needs. Here for you every single step of the way as soon as your makeup comes in with step-by-step hands-on tutorials. If you need anything, never hesitate to reach out and ask. I am always here to help you. Mwah.